In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a search bar to Squarespace website. By the end, you'll have a clean, functional search field that helps visitors quickly find what they're looking for. First, head to your site's editor and open the main navigation for your content. Click Website, then choose Pages. From here, select the exact page where you want the search bar to appear. Picking the right page matters because the search field should live where your visitors naturally look for it. Common spots include a homepage hero section, a blog landing page, or a dedicated resources area. Once you're on the page, scroll to the section where you want the search bar to live. Hover over that section and select Add Block. Squarespace blocks are the building elements you'll use to insert features, and the search bar is one of them. In the block library, select the search field block. After you click it, the search field will drop into your chosen section. You can drag it to adjust the order within that section so it fits neatly alongside text, images, or buttons. Next, double-click the search field to open its settings and configuration panel. This is where you control how it behaves and how it looks. Under the content settings, choose what the search should scan. You can have it search the current page's content or pull results from other pages on your site. This is useful if, for example, you want a blog page search to focus on posts, while a store page search focuses on products. Take a moment to think about your visitor's intent and set the source that best matches that. Now, switch to the design options. Here, you can fine-tune the layout so it blends with your template. Adjust the size of the field, the alignment, and the spacing around it. Update the placeholder text to guide users with a helpful prompt like search articles or find products. If your theme supports it, you can tweak the button label and icon style, and make sure colors and fonts follow your site's brand. Keep contrast high for readability and accessibility. When you're happy with the setup, give it a quick test by typing a sample term. Make sure the results feel relevant and that the field looks good on both desktop and mobile views. If anything feels off, pop back into the block settings and refine your choices. And that's it. You opened your page, added a search field block to the right section, configured what it searches, and polished the design so it fits your site. Simple, effective, and a big win for user experience.